The recognition agreement of any union during application, according to the law, requires 50+1. But once a recognition agreement has been signed, it cannot be revoked, even if membership reduces to 5%. All what we are seeing at the moment is a charade of TSC using unfair methods to mutilate our register. We still aver that our membership, as was directed by the court, to stop the validation and any other method of messing up with our register, our membership is above 190,000. And several others who have applied to join, TSC has not effected membership. So TSC is at war. The chair, Dr. Nzomo and Nancy Macharia, are at war for no reason against the Kenya National Union of Teachers. So we want to state very clearly, and we have written to them today to cease their hostilities. They have no choice. NUT remains recognized according to the law as from 1968, and therefore we have written and asked them to convene a meeting for us to discuss the CBA within the next 7 days, failure of which we'll deal with TSC. We have many ways. It is almost time that the chair and the CEO and the commissioners vacate those offices. We have raised very fundamental issues on many policies with the Teacher Service Commission to no avail. So what we have seen is an indicator of total failure and ineptitude of the chair and the CEO plus their commissioners. And so if they want war, we've begun war with them today moving forward.